you. That's it. Why me and you? Because right now I am by myself and I can talk to you guys. I am on my way to pick up my wife, so this is the best time to record videos. So, I just record them, take my camera home, extract the video footage, I edit them, and I upload them. So I just want to mention, guys, that it's a good idea to have a dash camera. So many different reasons to have a dash camera, guys. I don't know if some of you guys saw one of my videos that I showed. I showcased all my cameras installed in the vehicle. So right now I have 4 cameras running. I have the Vantru Pro N2 camera. It has 2 cameras built in. It records in cabin, so you guys are seeing me right now in cabin. So that camera's recording, inside the car. And yeah, these drivers are just too much. Look at this. And have the same camera is recording outside, so you guys can see what's in front of me. Then I have my mirror mount camera. It has the camera right in front of the rear view mirror, and then I have the camera in the back. So that's 4 cameras. The camera installed in the back. So why should you get a dash camera? Because if something, God forbid, happens, let's say somebody hits you, you got it on video. And I always say that, dash cams, they can work for you or against you. They can work for you because, you can prove that someone hit you. Also, if you get into a road rage, type of deal with somebody out there, you got it on camera. But let's say it can work against you. Like, let's say, you're driving, but you're distracted. You're looking down on your phone, and God forbid you crash into a building, or you kill somebody, God forbid. Crash investigators will show up. If they notice that you have a camera, they're gonna want that footage to see what you were doing when you crashed that vehicle, to see if it was your fault, So, it's a very good idea to have a dash camera. And a dash cam, actually, if you really think about it, it could make you a better driver, because it's like Big Brother is watching you. Now, there are a couple things that made me a better driver. First of all, experience. I've been driving for so long, over 30 years, 31 years to be exact. And so that's one of them. Dash cameras, like Big Brother's watching, becoming a driving instructor. And the last one is taking the 6-hour course. It's a defensive driving course. I take it every 3 years. I don't have to take it because, I've been driving for so long that I have so much experience. But I take every 3 years because I have to get my 10% off my insurance. And a lot of people don't know that. You can get a discount on your insurance, at least 10% off, if you take the 6-hour class, the defensive driving course, guys. You guys can take it with some driving schools. They offer it. I take it with AAA. I go online, take it with AAA. Once I get my certificate, I submit a copy to my insurance company, and I get my discount. So, many reasons, guys, to get a dash camera. I don't want to keep you guys, so, don't want to make a long video, but, I hope that I did, give you guys a message why it's a good idea to have a dash camera, guys. some of them are expensive, some of them are inexpensive. The one that I bought cost $200, but I did get a $50 discount because I bought mine on it was on a Black Friday. So look out for those Black Friday deals to get a really good discount on them, guys. So anyway, guys, take care, be safe, always be safe out there on the road. It is dangerous. You gotta look out for yourself, guys. Take it easy, guys.